everyone! Today I'm taking you inside the PAGSS Premium Lounge in Terminal 3 to see what it has to offer. Yung PAGSS Premium Lounge is located at NAIA Terminal 3 and accessible siya sa business and first-class passengers. Economy passengers can access it as well with a fee. But if you're a member of certain loyalty programs or credit cards, pwede kayong makapasok for free even if economy class lang ang tickets nyo. For us, we got in using our credit cards. These are the qualified credit cards. Ang kagandahan dito is that most of them include one free companion. So kahit isa lang sa inyo yung may qualified card, makakapasok kayong dalawa. Take note though na hindi lahat ng credit cards ay may free companions. So kailangan yung i-check muna. Mine was the BPI Visa Signature Card and meron siyang kasamang free companion. To know more about this card, you can check this video. So pagkalagpas nyo ng immigration, go to the right and then look for the elevator. Akyat kayo. Pag akyat sa elevator, go to the far right. Madadaanan nyo din yung ibang mga lounge. The check-in process is straightforward and quick. If priority pass kayo or if you're a holder of a qualified credit card, i-present nyo lang yung credentials nyo. Kailangan physically present yung card. Then, just register yourself and your companion and you're good to go. Once inside, you're greeted with a cozy and modern ambience. The lounge features a mix of seating arrangements from comfortable armchairs to private workstations. It's designed to accommodate both solo travelers and groups. One of the highlights of the PAGSS Premium Lounge is its food and beverage selection. You'll find a buffet spread with hot meals, snacks, and desserts. There's something for everyone, whether you're craving Filipino favorites or international cuisine. Plus, there's a supply of unlimited beverages such as coffee, tea, juices, even alcoholic drinks like wine and beer. The lounge offers free high-speed Wi-Fi, plenty of charging stations for your devices, and for those with early morning layover flights, there are clean and spacious shower facilities where you can freshen up. We entered around 9 a.m. and our flight was 12 noon. So, nakadami kami ng kwentuhan, rest, and a lot of food before our flight. Thanks everyone! Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys, safe travels, and see you on the next video. Bye!